Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Get Curried. Today, let me take you through a popular Goan delicacy, which is Chonya Ros. It's not just cultural, but also one of the most wondrous breakfast specialties, made extraordinary using MAGGI Magic vegetarian cubes. Let's begin. Chonya Ros classically is chonya and ras, which is white peas and a curry, of course. What we need to do is take the white peas, soak these overnight, drain these, and this is now ready to use. This goes straight in the pressure cooker. To this, let's add in some chopped red onions. Time to add in water. Cover this and pressure cook this on low flame for 20 minutes. While the white peas are getting cooked, let's quickly move on to the next component, and that is making the spice paste. Of course, beginning with coriander seeds. Let's add in a Kashmiri red chilli. Just snip it into pieces and move on to adding cloves. To this, let's add in turmeric and tamarind pulp. Now it's time to add in my pantry staple, which literally makes an everyday dish extraordinary. The MAGGI Magic vegetarian cubes. It's very simple to use. Just cut the packet, take out the cube, and crumble it all over. This will add a unique punch to your everyday dishes like rice, vegetables, dals, and soups as well. Now it's time to grind this nice and fine. With this, our paste is done and ready, nice and smooth. Well, one thing you should know about this cube is that it is made using selected herbs and spices that are perfectly blended for that rich, delightful taste, color, aroma, literally for any dish that you prepare. The next ingredient, coconut milk. Now, generally, coconut milk would take 20 minutes if you start from fresh coconuts. But here, I have MAGGI creamy coconut milk powder, which when added with warm water literally makes a creamy coconut milk in under 2 minutes with the desired taste and consistency. Let's add this to warm water. Add 3 tablespoons to 1 cup warm water for thick milk or 1 tablespoon for thin milk. With this now, our spice paste is ready, our thick coconut milk is ready, and the white peas are also done and ready. Let's move on to the tempering and add in vegetable oil. Let's begin with black mustard seeds. Once these crackle, I'm going to add in cumin seeds. And immediately to this, our spice paste. Without any further ado, time to add in the cooked white peas. And finally, coconut milk. Let's mix all of this and allow this to simmer for at least 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame. And with this, your Chonya Ros is actually done and ready. While you're using these cubes, it's very important to adjust the salt right towards the end because this has salt. Let me quickly check, and I don't think it's required really because it smells wonderful to me. And I was right. With this, off goes the flame. With this, ladies and gentlemen, our authentic Goan breakfast is done and ready. Do give this recipe a try using MAGGI Magic vegetarian cubes, which are now available in stores and online across India. Do try this and let me know in the comment section. This is me, Chef Varun, signing off. Bye for now.